body right next to me while I sing you this melody. It's all over, you don't have to cry. Take my hands, would you rather die? I will take you to a better place, somewhere far where you won't have to face all the people who are.
Alright, so we just packed up our bags and we're all packed up. Took us a long time. We got everything situated and we're ready to set out early in the morning, but it's about midnight. We're gonna go to bed. So good night, sleep tight, we'll see you in the morning.
About to take off on our long journey to Dallas.
All the way.
About 300 miles, a little more maybe.
I got about 4 hours of sleep last night. We can take a few.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be kind of fun. So hopefully tonight, this again, we'll be going to bed like this.
So hopefully. And our first destination hopefully is Guthrie.
Guthrie, Texas.
93 miles.
So hopefully that's our goal for today. We'll see how it goes.
I realize you're my best friend. Can separate actions from faith, 'cause you have all I need to take. That's why I think I am. Oh, 'cause I don't pray, I just behave. 'Cause saints and sinners are quite the same, 'cause it's my temple, the whole wide world. That's why I think I am.
Do you need a salad?
This boy Jib is drinking Dr. Pepper on his 100-mile-a-day bike ride.
I love my Dr. Pepper.
Can't believe it.
Alright, we're in Rawls. We just finished eating at George's restaurant. Headed to Crosbyton. I think it's probably like 10 miles from here, so we'll see how long it takes us to get that far. We're gonna hopefully just cruise on through Crosbyton and keep going. And I think the next town is Dickens, which is a pretty good trek. I just ate a half-pound burger and a Dr. Pepper and some fries.
My bike just kind of broke. The pedals, they, I guess like the bearing broke off or something. Some kind of bearing broke off. So it goes back and forth. Gives me no momentum when I pedal. It goes pops back and forth. Just getting worse and worse as I pedal down. It's not looking good so far.
I think we decided to hitchhike. And we're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. We're pretty much having to walk, and it's actually a lot easier than riding, but it sucks. Like, this thing is forever to get such close distance. It seems to be really not too far away. We're going to get to Dallas one way or another, and we'll see what happens.
I am.
just got picked up, and they're just gonna take us into town. And so hopefully we can catch another ride from Rockland to next nearest town or wherever we go.
Hello everybody, my name is Quincy. I'm the #1 truck driver in America.
His name's Dallas. We are at 287 and 114.
That's right.
So here we are.
All you people who said we wouldn't make it,
We did.
it proves you wrong. We're here, and we'll see you later.